Hey everybody, I just want to take a minute and show you how exactly I'm going to have you save your files, actually drop your files so that I can get them graded. So what we're going to use is a feature called the drop folder. So the best way to do this is probably to go to down to your student drive and find the file that you need. So you can go to the Start menu and do that, and you can find, if you go to My Computer, you should be able to see all the different drives that you need. The one that you're looking for is the one that's highlighted here that says Drop on LMSS. It may not be labeled that same way, but for the most part, it should look something like that. What you're going to do then is open that up, and you're going to look for me. You're going to look for your teacher. In this case, you only see one folder, but when you guys open it up, you'll see all of the different teachers that have drop folders, which should be just about everybody. So once you find mine, you'll open it up. You'll see that there's multiple folders in there, and of course, you're going to use one of the multimedia ones, whichever one is appropriate for your class. And when you open that up, then you'll see all of the different documents that you're going to drag and drop into here at some point over the course of the quarter. What you'll also need to have is you'll need to have a folder that's open that actually shows you the documents that you're working on, because unfortunately you can't save as. So here in PowerPoint, I can't just go up and save as and put it in that drop folder. It'll show up as that something is in there, but it's unreadable, and it doesn't do me or you any good. So what you need to do is literally open up two windows. You can see the first one here. This is from my hard drive, and this is the document that I just showed you. And I'm just going to use that as an example. And then you also need to have your multimedia, whatever block it is, that folder open with all of these different documents. Then what you're going to do is literally just drag and drop, and I'm just going to use the About Me folder as an example. So once you click on this, it's basically going to copy it. It doesn't move it, it copies it for you. And then all you need to do is just make sure that it copies. Might not hurt to let me know that you drag something in there, and I can double check that it worked. Assuming that it did, I will be able to open it up. So what you can see here, you can see in the About Me folder that I dragged my document in here, and it's in here. And I'll be able to see all of these. If you guys try and open up this folder, it will show up blank. You won't see anything at all. It'll look like you didn't drop anything. So you might see when you drop things in here a little window that says copying, and it shows kind of a progress bar. That's a good thing. That means that it's copying. Unless there's an error message and it tells you that it didn't work, go ahead and assume that it did. And if you have a question or want me to check and make sure that I got it, just let me know. And that's the drag and drop feature using the drop folder the Linmar on the Linmar servers. That's how we're going to turn in most of our multimedia work this quarter. And it's a lot more convenient than you guys having to print things off. Obviously, it saves a lot of ink. And the best part about it is that you can pretty much do this from any computer. It doesn't have to just be in here. If you're in the library, if you're in a study hall, or a resource room or something like that, you can pretty much find these folders just about any time, and so it's convenient. I can look at the documents when I have time to, and it's a win-win for everybody. So that's how you use the drop folders for multimedia. Thanks.